Gospel Alive 2016 is finally here and you don't want to miss it. Featuring Tehillah Africa, Joey Mafulay, Living Waters, House of Hope Total Praise, Tito, Oasis Praise Family, and for the first time in Lesotho, Twani Gospel Choir. Elibet tickets are selling out. Get yours at any ShopRite Combi ticket or at the Basotho in kiosk at the Pioneer Mall. We have Pick and Pay entrance for just 160 Maluti and 200 Maluti VIP. Cashed and measured at Lehago Recreation Center on the 1st of October 2016. Limited number of tickets will be available at the door, so get yours now. Gospel Alive 2016, celebrating Jesus, celebrating live.
Must believe.